Right, for an update on the story, we are joined by Gauteng Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Tommy Mtombeni. Good morning, General. Thank you so much for your time. Can you confirm whether a human trafficking syndicate is involved in this case and the others that we saw, for instance, from last week?
Good morning, Masiko. Greetings to the viewers at home up there. One can confirm that as of yesterday, we had uncovered, I'll say, illegal immigrants, around about 32 of them, of which we have been alerted by the community around there in Lombardy East. At this stage, we are dealing with them as illegal immigrants because we could not find the lessee. The property itself is managed by a South African. The lessee, we believe that is an Ethiopian. I must just indicate that on the 9th of January this year, we were in that space in terms of crime intelligence-driven operations with organized crime investigation for the Hawks, the Sandringham Police Station, Department of Home Affairs, Social Development, and the Ethiopian interpreter, where we managed to get 26 Ethiopians nationals, and we arrested 3 people. And in that case, those 3 people are charged with human trafficking. The case is due to appear in court on the 14th of April this year. I must just indicate that those 3, they were also linked with kidnapping around Benoni for a businessman, and hence they have to appear before court.